Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today's video will be based on AI. So in this video we're gonna see how we can use AI Paint in Windows 11. So as you can see, AI is being used everywhere, and keeping this in mind, the Microsoft Paint has introduced a new feature called Co-Creator. So we're gonna talk about this in detail, and if you're interested too, then pause the video till end. So the Co-Creator is an inbuilt feature of MS Paint, which means you don't have to download any other software, but currently it comes with some limitations. First of all, only English language is supported at this time, and currently it is only available for the regions of United States, France, UK, Australia, Canada, Italy and Germany, which means it will be only available for the people of these regions. Now if you're not getting this option in your MS Paint, then simply update your MS Paint. You can easily update the MS Paint from Microsoft Store or from the official website. Now let's talk about how we can use it. To use Co-Creator option, open MS Paint, and here you will see an icon of Co-Creator. Now here a box appears. Just fill the description of image that you want to generate, and from this menu select the style of image you want. Click on create button and your image will be created. So the Co-Creator option is in its starting phase, and because of this it comes with very basic features. Also, to use Co-Creator feature you need to sign in with your Microsoft account, and you will receive 50 credits to create image when you join Co-Creator, which means you can create up to 50 images. And also, do not use Co-Creator to create or share images that may cause harm, distress or confusion. Also, it requires an internet connection, so make sure to provide it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.